Hello my dear student, I am Sabina Akhtar as an English teacher of Parabo Ideal High School. Just now, this time in changed condition our lifestyle is changed. So, I want to take a class but I am present, you are absent. This is very sorrowful for coronavirus. Okay, come to the point. I want to take a class as a English first paper, and when any student actually firstly you have to read rapidly first pages, and then this is the topic, let's become skilled workforce, and there is a mentionable passage. Today there are many jobs where you need English. This is because the world has become smaller, and I hope you have a textbook and this lesson 4 and unit 4 and lesson 5. You must the passage carefully, because after finishing this you have to MCQ and question, second question, and this topic is English. As a student you have to know about the passage and fully guess what this passage about the position. Without knowing this you cannot MCQ answer and question on second for question answering. And English is very difficult, but you have to think this passage wholly understand. Then most of the student cannot learn English only for passing the English. For this reason they cannot understand knowing English. In this moment I want to share as an English teacher. Firstly, if you want to make a sentence, you have to know knowing pattern and all side. Okay, come to the point. There is position. When you finish the passage, you have to guess what the next position. Such as there is MCQ. My dear students, I think you have finished the passage, so you have to guess according to passage, choose the correct answer. According to the test, why can't the students learn English well? There are 4 options. You have to guess which sentence is correct. According to the text, why can't the students learn English well? They read only for passing exams. Their basic knowledge is so poor. They don't read textbooks. They are afraid of English. I think when I take a class, always all the time I tell you, firstly you have to guess the passage, and then it will be possible for answering. So after knowing this passage, I believe you can understand what this sentence is right according to the question. Okay, come to the point. I think you can understand, and for some time you are trying for solve. And now this time I will share with you for answering. Maybe according to the text, why can't the students learn English well? They read only for passing exams. And then Second question, according to Ms. Choudhury, we can learn English. There are four options in our classroom and by textbook, in and outside the classroom, in the classroom by teachers, by reading books. There is a accurate answer, in and outside the classroom. In and outside the classroom, I will share with you. When any English teacher takes your class, every student should be follow what your teacher teaching, and then if you guess and if you understand, then it will be very easy. Okay, this is very important and common. You have to attentive in your class, and when you are outside, you have to share with your partners, and then it will be complete and you can share and you can pass. Now my dear student, now come to the point. Question number 2, it's very related above the pages. Answer the following question. Firstly, I want to share with you, you have to know how to know the come to the point, my dear student. There are 3 questions you have to answer above the pages. First question, why should we learn English? We know everybody firstly, as a student, when we are examining in the exam hall, we feel afraid and fear position, but you have to guess how to make a sentence. And there is a question, why should we learn English? We should learn English for various purposes. If you want to get a good job, and if you want to communicate with others, and if you want to go abroad, etc. Many other things you have to know, and you must learn English. Without doing this, you cannot partake any position. Okay. Second question, why don't most students of Bangladesh know English well? As an English teacher, I want to share at this moment, we are Bengali, our habit is Bangla. All the time when I share in family and outside, in Bangla. So we have no practice in English. For this main reason, most of the students can't understand how to speak English. But on the contrary, you are a student, you have to pass and you have to guess. So you have to know how to make a sentence. And if you want to, in the question for answering, you have to guess and its pattern. Okay. Why don't most students of Bangladesh know English well? There is position I will share with you. I will share with you. Most of the students think we have to pass. Only for passing they can share in and outside. They have no idea how to make a sentence, how to share, how to communicate, etc., etc. Okay, for this reason, in Bangladesh, most of the students they can't share, they can't know English and knowing well. Okay. Next question, how can we learn English? According to question, I will share with you if you write the answer according to question, you have to know how can we learn English. If you want to write something, if you want to share with others, if you want to communicate with another persons, and as a on the way as a foreigner, you understand and about his or her, you have to know English because it's common language, and English is very common language all over the world. Okay, my dear student, when I take your class, I believe you share with all my lessons. Okay, above the pages, always all the time I will tell you, you have to guess, you have to realize if you want to for all answering. So all the time you have to think, be study, my dear student, whom you stay. This time is very devastating and pesticide. So be careful, my dear student. Don't go out and stay home all the time. See you again next time. I will. Allah Hafiz.